do. Yes, this is my YouTube studio. So I come here to the analytics. Not really. I come to the settings. Yeah. So I go to channel settings. Yes, it's from South Africa. Advanced settings. Mm-hmm. This is one of the key things that you need to be careful about. You need to make sure that your channel is not made for kids. The content that you're going to upload are not made for kids, except they're specifically made for kids. Okay, this is because if your content is made for kids, it's going to be recommended for kids, and there's a lot of scrutinization that is going to be made on your content. Again, if you're already earning with your channel, it's not going to earn much. One other thing you need to take on is this one of allowing advertisers, brands, and third parties platform to view your channel inside for any opportunities. Yes. So we move on. We move on. Only let the link. Uh huh. Yeah, there are those people who comment nasty things. So you can put that on so that it doesn't show like the people who are not good, and you need to avoid such advertisements. Disable interest based adverts. You can put it on or off, but I let it not take because any advert I'm okay with it myself. Allow viewers to clip your content. Yes, you can allow viewers to clip your content for the sake of your channel going viral at some point. If they take some of your content, promote it on their platforms, that is going to bring more exposure to your own channel. Third party training. Allow third party companies to train AI model using my channel content. This also has to be on. What is this? Select third party companies only. Let me see. I trust Amazon, I trust Adobe, I trust Apple, Meta, Video, then or I can say all third party companies, okay? That's still okay with me. Uh-huh. Upload default. Title, you're going to give each video the new title, description, visibility. Be here. Make sure that every video you upload is unlisted so that you get that chance to check whether it has copyright content in it. If it's unlisted, it won't go as a strike. You finally get to do your final edits while it's still unlisted. Again, this is going to help you let your content be in your channel for a specific time so that the algorithm knows which audience it has to take it to. Yes, it's advised that you let your content to stay in for at least 2 hours before you make it public. Again, sometimes it's not yet finished processing, and if you make it public immediately, it's going to show in the platform, but it won't be clickable because it's not done. Looking at advanced settings, we're going to allow automatic chapters, yes. Automatic dubbing, yes. You can click this one or this one. This one is going to allow viewers from different locations, those who are not familiar with English, to access your videos in their language. So I'm aware that this function is not available to everyone. Uh-huh. Another one is this one of showing how many viewers like your videos. My advice is to turn it off because some people do not like your videos when they see that they have a smaller like count. So when you turn it off, it's up to a person to decide whether they like it or they don't like it. But most of the time, when it's off, you find that when you check your analytics, you get to see that, yeah, most people are liking because they don't see how many people liked. So, art category, I don't think we have to change anything here. Let me see. What did I block? Alcohol gambling. Okay. I think no, I'm not going to unblock it. Permissions, I'm only one who has permission. No moderators added. Agreements. And then I save everything saved. It's like that. So that's how I edit my videos. Those final, those compulsory editing that you do to your videos before even uploading any other video. So that's it for now. See you in my next videos. Bye. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what challenge you're facing in the comment section so that we tackle that next. Thank you.